And we are live. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, or good night. We are live today. I have a very special guest. Now, she is in the Philippines right now. So, hi, Lauralie. Thank you so much for accepting my invitation today sa Bagong Umaga, Bagong Pag-asa. Yes, why do we say that? Because every day is Bagong Umaga, Bagong Pag-asa. Maganda po ang panahon ngayon dito sa Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Ako po pala ay si Maria Santos from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, originally from Bicol, Philippines. I am a mom, I am a wife, I am a grandma to 10 beautiful grandchildren, a retired nurse educator, and a full-time digital business owner. I will pass it to our guest, Laura Lee. Do you want to introduce yourself to the audience
Yeah.
and where you are and why did you do this business? Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello po. Hi, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are tuning in. My name is Laurie. I'm a Filipino. I'm a former OFW from Singapore, a mom of two, and now a proud digital business owner. Thank you for having me, Maria.
Oh, you're very welcome. She is from the Philippines. I am from the Philippines, but I am in Canada. See how global this business is? It works anywhere, everywhere you want. And all you need is a cell phone, a laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. It's because we're gonna inspire you today. That how we become a digital business owner. Maybe you're one of those who is looking on how to work and earn online. Stay tuned. Our second thing here is okay. Let's go to the next. Why it is not showing? Okay, there we go. Okay, I save it. There we go. Now it show. Okay, Lorelai, the question here is, were you skeptical, fearful, doubtful before you start this business? And paano mo na-overcome ang skepticism and doubtfulness at fearfulness? Take it away.
Oh, okay. Of course, normal lang yon. It's very normal to be skeptical, fearful, doubtful. I was afraid. It was too good to be true. I was thinking it might be a scam. So I prayed a lot and I told God that if I made a payment and there is an issue on my bank transfer, then it is not for me. I made it a sign because when I was in Singapore, before going to Wales, I decided to start the 17,888 pesos drop shipping business. I won't mention the company anymore. So when I was in UK, I will have something to earn. So that I will have something to do to earn. However, there was a problem with the bank transfer. The account number, account name, all are correct. My bank sent the money to the local bank in the Philippines, but the funds cannot be received by the local bank, which puzzled me because I don't see any issue on the transfer. Even my Singapore bank don't see any issue on their side. And I knew that something is intercepting the transfer, and I decided that it is God's will. So my bank returned my money, and I was not able to start that business. So for our business, I paid the $149. I didn't have any issue. Then I did my research. All the informations I can find in Google about the partner companies, about the community. I stalked my mentor, even my coach in FB. I check everything, even those negative articles of people who are saying negative things about the business. Then I decided that I will do the business. So lo and behold, everything was smooth on my bank transfer. So those negative articles which bothered me last time didn't stop me from starting because I trust God. And I know He will not give me something that is not for me. So hence, I was convinced that God led me to this business, not only for myself, but for my family and to help my community.
Very true.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that, Lorelai. Lorelai or Lorelei?
Lori na lang po.
Oh, Lord. Okay, thank you.
Lori.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for that info that you share. You know what? Skepticism, fearfulness, and doubtfulness, tulad ng nasabi ni Lori, is normal. That's just normal. And everything we do, if we want to try something new, we're scared, right? Am I gonna do it? Is this a scam? Is this true? Right? There's lots of question at the back of our head. But you know what? If you have a why, you will do your due diligence as people, because this business is all over the world. This is one of the biggest business, digital business all over the world. You can ask, I think everybody, almost everybody in the world knows about this. But there is lots of people who are skeptical to get in, even though they know in their heart that this is real. So doubtfulness is just normal. And then, sa sarili ko, how did I overcome this skepticism? Is I do due diligence. And at the very beginning, I had a huge why. I want that why na mangyari, right? When I watched that webinar, the first thing that I watched the webinar, I said to myself, I want that life too. Life that they are enjoying time with their family, a life that they are traveling, a life that they are watching the milestone of their children. They can quit the job and retire. That's why I am here right now, in spite of skepticism, fearfulness, and doubtfulness. It's just normal. It's just normal. As Lori said, it's normal. So if you want to do this, just do it. Okay. Lori, thank you so much for your sharing.
You're
Let's
welcome.
go to the third question. Do you think starting this business is hard? And ano ang ginawa mo to make it easy? What did you do to make it easy?
Okay, yeah, at first, of course, merong adjustments. Actually, um, this business, I have found this just like many of you, I saw an online ads while scrolling, and it felt like it was really directly speaking to me. At first, I ignored it, but I realized that I and my mom was going to St. Mary's Church every Wednesday and Sunday at Penali Church. I was in Wales at the time when I found the business. We are praying for work or anything that will be my source of income. Even winning nga sa Mega Lotto, I prayed to God. And something is whispering to me that this is the opportunity that I'm praying for. So I decided to join because of that silent whisper. And I prayed to God to lead me, and I will follow Him. And importantly, this business is not the same sa mga nasalihan ko before na networking business. So this one is a different business. And I realized that more than a bigger paycheck, I want a bigger purpose. I chose a path that builds my story, not just my resume kung employee ako. And I want to be remembered for not for my job title, but for how I live, love, and lifted others. So for your question na, yes, at first, yung may adjustment because I was not into social media. I'm a very private person. Ayokong nalalaman ng mga tao na nangyayari sa akin, nasan bang bansa ako, kung nandito ako sa Pilipinas or nasa UK ako or sa Singapore, or kung nasaan man ako. And I'm not techie. And I'm thinking that social media is the means to grow this business, and the system made it doable. The training is step by step, the community is very supportive. So I just focus on learning a little every day and stayed consistent. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be committed. And I am enjoying what I'm doing right now. I didn't know that some skills can be learned even at my age. And I'm very happy with my progress. And I can see that I'm learning a lot and becoming a better version of myself.
Wow, thank you so much for that.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for your what you shared the story. Yes, right? Faith. Faith brings us here, right? First is God. God knows everything. As I will say always, that we are predestined. Even from the beginning, God knows what will be our walk, what we gonna do, how we gonna end. Yeah. So we took that leap of faith when we watched the webinar. We took that leap of faith and register. What's the webinar? And register, pay the 149. And as Lori was not a social media, not a techie, and I am the same too. I've been a nurse for 49 years. And she says her age, excuse me, Lori, I'm 70 years old. I'm 70 years old, Rolly, Lori, and I am doing this business. And I want to tell the people here who are watching, age is just a number, right? Age is just a
Yeah.
number. When I found this business, I was still working as a nurse 16 hours, back to back, back to back, back to back, here in Canada. So I was kind of getting tired. All my children are move out and they have a good life and job and thing like that. So I asked myself, ano kaya ang gagawin ko after that? Shall I work until na hindi na ako makalakad o I will wait na hindi na ako makalakad? That's not fair, right? Because I work so hard. So that is when I was looking for something. When I found this business, I was working 16 hours. I don't have time to start to do the thing but I do, but I make time. I make time. There is always a way on how to be successful into a certain thing if you really make time, right? So, hindi kami tech savvy, hindi kami we were skeptical, hindi kami social media, right? I I just work as an nurse and just social media for me is just teaching my student online. That was just the thing that I can do right before. But now look at us, eh, Lori? Look at us. We are just all over the world. This live is all over the world. This is how global our business is. We are sharing our experiences. We are sharing our feeling just to reach to all over the world sa lahat ng tao sa buong mundo that if we can do it, you can do it. You can do it too, right? There is no excuse, but you know what? You have to have a willing heart to do because I will say that this is not an easy, quick, rich business. You have to learn it. Everything, as Lori mentioned, everything. The step-by-step training is there. The automation is there. We will go through that when the right question comes. Thank you so much, Lori. And then let's go to the fourth question, right? Lots of people are asking, are we selling or bugging friends here? Take it away.
Actually, we're not bugging friends or family. We are not selling physical products. It's like we are like tutors. We will help you start your digital business through mentorship, step-by-step training, and access to a very supportive community. So we use automation systems and attraction marketing through social media. People who resonate to our stories and we inspired will come to us. Kahit na yung tulog ka or on vacation ka, may mag-i-inquire sa'yo. That's the beauty of this business. You can stay authentic while building income online. I only shared the business to some of my friends who I cared about, because if I am successful, I also want my friends and my family to be successful too. So for those I haven't directly messaged yet about the business, you can see my posts every day sa Facebook. You can reach out to me if you want to know about the business. So we are not bugging friends, but we also want our friends and families to know about this business, because we don't want to be madamot, diba? Kasi if they see you na successful na in the future, then they will ask you why you didn't share to us the business. Bakit ang damot mo, diba? So, I'm sharing the business to some of my friends, and kahit sa personal Facebook page ko, you can see me, you can see my post. So, indirectly, yun na rin yun, mini-message ko na rin kayo, ini-inform ko na rin kayo about how good the business is. Para sabay-sabay tayo maging successful.
That is amazing, amazing, amazing. Sabay-sabay tayong maging successful. Actually, sa business pong ito, hindi po walang iwanan. Right? Walang iwanan to. Right? Walang iwanan. Kapit kamay tayo na maglalakbay and marating ang gusto nating marating. If you are coachable, you can make this business. Lots of people nagtatanong, are we selling? Are we selling? Hindi po kami nagbebenta. We're not selling anything. We are not begging friends. Ito lang po ang aming ginagawa, right? We use a platform. Actually, we are an attraction marketing. We use a platform like this, a Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or whatever platform, to do like this, go live. We will tell you our story. We will share how we become a successful digital business owner. We will tell you ang aming mga why we joined the business. We will tell you all the tools that is provided ng business na ito. Like Lori mentioned, automation, step-by-step training, that even though you are sleeping, there is a result that are coming in, and the automation is dealing with that. So, this is a huge community, 252,000 members globally that support one another. Sabi nga ni Laura, ayaw naming mga damot. Ayaw naming maging madamot sa inyo, sa mga taong gustong mag-start ng business na ito, and yet, sometimes they don't know. Yeah, they don't know that there is a business like this. They don't know that there is a business that they can change their lives. So that's why, isa sa paraan is we go live like this. Go live like this, invite you if you resonate, if you have a why, if you want a change, if you want to stay with your children, travel and retire, this is it. This is the only way that I know. I've been working as a nurse, and this is the way that I know that you can work smarter and not harder. Hindi po mahirap ang business na ito. Basta po kayo ay open sa coaching call and open to learn. This business is an amazing, life-changing business. So, okay, Lori, are we good to go? So
Yeah.
let's see our comments now. The people who are okay. Will comments people. That is Marta Villalobos, all the way from California. Woohoo! Thank you so much, Marta, for tuning in. And she also said that this was me when I was scrolling. I was speaking. It was speaking to me. This is the one I felt in my heart, right? If you resonate to what we are sharing, if you want to do this, just connect. Okay, just connect with us, either Lori or me or any business owner around the globe, because it's better to start when you're young. Young meaning you can enjoy the fruit of your labor. I'm 70 years old, soon to be 70, but there's never too late in life. There's never too late. You can start it. Look at me. I'm doing it, and I am enjoying my journey at the age of 70. How about you? You are 20. The age start, legal age is 18 and above. Unlimited age. Lola, Lolo, right? What are you doing? Right? If you're just staying at home and you want something to do to boost your mental thing, do this, because this is what's happening to me. Creating thing, and you know what? It makes my mental what is this capacity more active in thing like that, right? So there is more here that okay. Nasrin Khan and Marta Villalobos, they are watching us. Okay, let's go to the fifth question. Yeah, there we go. Fifth question is, it seems that, okay, banner, okay, show. How can you be successful in this business, Lori? Take it away.
You care about your why. My why is to fund for my retirement, my partner's retirement, my mom and my stepdad's retirement, and to give a good life for my family and to help the community. So you need to be coachable to be successful in this business. You need to follow the system. Keep on learning. Be surrounded by people who lift you up, believes in you and your business. That will be successful in this endeavor. Don't compare yourself to others. Your chapter 1 different from someone else chapter 20. So do not measure your success based on someone else's journey. Your journey is yours. If you stay consistent, you'll get results. And of course,
Mhm.
a change of mindset. Stop letting your doubts decide your future. Your life does not get better by chance. It gets better by change, and the change starts with your mind. That's
Thank
it,
you so
Maria.
much. I love it. I love it. Mindsets start by doing it by mind. Right mindset, right? Bucket right mindset. Right mindset is you are focused on your why. You have a why when you get into this business, right? You have a huge why when you get into this business, right? That's why you want it to happen. So that will create a positive mindset. I want to do this. I want to do this. You have to be positive that, you know what? You looking at those people when you watch the webinar or in the business, those people that started ahead of us, they made it. They become successful. What is the difference between them and us? There is only one system. The only difference is they started ahead of us. But isang sistema lang po ang ginagamit natin dito. So, all we have to do, have that positive mindset that, you know what, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna make it. I will go through the training, I will reach out to people, I will be coachable, and one more thing, very important, don't compare your journey to anybody. You are an individual. You are you and you cannot be he or she. Your journey is yours. You have to be responsible for that. Embrace that journey. That do whatever that have to be done to become successful. But you have a positive mindset and keep doing that. Keep doing what you are doing. Never compare. Never compare to anybody's journey because you are you. All you have to do is keep learning, keep growing, right? Asking, being coachable, and that's all the things that you have to do. Learning makes you grow. Okay. This is a good thing. Okay. Now, let's go to number 6. Okay, number 6 question. Right. Oh, okay. Ano ang masasabi mo, Lori, sa mga taong gustong mag-work? They want to work and earn online, and yet they are scared and skeptical. And do you want to invite them in your leads and your follower, your family, your friends? Do you want to invite them? Thank you.
Of
Take it
course.
away.
Yeah, pray for it. If God puts that dream in your heart, go for it. Fulfill that dream. If you are praying for something to change your life for the better, to give a good life for your family, and this opportunity showed up, grab it and let God lead you the way. Trust the process. Don't wait for the perfect time. Just start. If you've been an OFW for years and you want to have more time with your family without sacrificing your income, start the business. But remember, this business is not a get rich quick scheme. If you start today, you won't get rich tomorrow. Do not expect to plant a mango seed today and tomorrow it will grow and bear fruits. You need to plant today, water the seed, nurture it, and it will become, and then once it become a tree, then it will be ready to bear fruits. And of course, even if it's bearing fruits, you still need to nurture it so it will give you consistent fruits. So our business is also the same. And always remember that we are here on earth to enjoy the life that God has given us and to help others. Hindi lang gising, pasok sa work, tulog, antay ng sweldo, pagkasweldo, ubos agad, then may utang na uli bago magsweldo na naman, and the same cycle every day goes on and on. I believe that God gave this business as He wants me to have more to give. He wants me to have more so I can give more to others. And being an OFW will not make this happen. Kaya nga, maybe God let me lose my job in Singapore so I can go to UK, be with my mother, and find this business. Hindi nga lang ura-urada, pero breakthrough will come, and my purpose here on earth will be fulfilled. And to those who are employee mindset, as honestly, I know some or actually a lot, they just want to be an employee forever. And to those who are nahihiya na mag-online business or mag-side hustle habang may work, remember that we need to have other sources of income. Our job is not forever, and we do not know until when we will have the strength to work physically. And relying on one income is not enough. And sa mga nahihiya mag-side hustle or na may fear sila na ma-expose online dahil baka daw mapahamak kapag nakikita online or um, yun nga, mapahamak sila nakikita online or remember, they will not pay your bills and they will not fulfill your dreams. And fear will always be there. And kahit nga hindi ka mag-online lahat ng tao may cellphone. Pwede ka nilang picturean sa mall na di mo alam, then i-post nila iyon sa social media. Kung gusto ka nilang kidnapin, kahit hindi ka nag-online, kikidnapin ka pa rin. So don't let fear hinder your success in life. Kasi kahit mag-traditional business ka pa nga you still need online presence para sa business mo. So why not have an online business instead, di ba? So go for it. Start and build your business now. You may register on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email to learn how to start, and I will guide you. That's it, Maria. I hope I have imparted knowledge to our viewers. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Lori. You imparted a lot. There's lots of nuggets there. Lots, huge nuggets. First thing is the faith, right? Without God, we're nothing, right? I don't know. I'm not preaching here, right? This is what I believe. I always make God as my partner in everything I do. I offer Him everything. And there is no perfect time. Lori, tama yan. Right? There's no perfect time. I found this business na matanda na ako. Right? I didn't find this when I was younger, 20, 23, or 40 or 50. I found this when I was 60 plus, right? This business. I found this, but there's no perfect time. Maybe that's just the time that God planned that I will do this business at my age, right? Old age, and enjoy life. When you enjoy life, you become successful in this business, you can help people, sabi ni Lori. Right? Even right now, doing this podcast role, Lori, you know what? We are helping people. There are people who are watching us that are skeptical, fearful to start this business. Maybe we enlighten them. Maybe we encourage them that this is it. This is a legit business, tax registered, and we file tax every end of the years, and we receive T4A at the end of the year. So there's nothing to be scared na hindi ito legit. Actually, we will not be here, right? Yung reputasyon namin ay hindi namin ipapagkalandakan sa buong mundo if this is a scam. Because I don't want to be called a scammer. How about you, Lori? Do you want to be called a scammer?
No,
No?
no, of course.
So, if you are watching right now, if you are working 3 jobs, I know how it is. Yeah. If you want a change, this is it. This is it. Register your name and email to any website that you can see, either Lori and either me. And you know what? Start by watching the live complimentary webinar. Complimentary po ay libre, walang bayad. So, busy kayo. Ang live po is every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And alam ko, 2, 3, 4 ang trabaho nyo. So, replay is available. Wherein you can watch the webinar every webinar at your own convenient time. Lori, can you please share the 149? The 149 for this business, please. How do we do that?
Yeah, when you register on our website, either Maria's website or my website, you will register with your name and your email address, right? Then your name, your details will be on our system. Then you need to watch the 20-minute webinar, or some website are 90-minute webinar, or you can watch the live webinar. Then if you watch the webinar and you get inspired, then you can start to know the business in depth. So you will need to pay the $149 for you to be able to know the business, the partnered companies that we have, the compensation plan, the business as a whole. You will be able to know it. And if you decide that you want to start your online business, then we, as your mentor or your coach, we will help you to start your online business. And if in the event that you don't want to continue the business, or you feel that, oh, this business is not for me, then the $149 will be refunded, because this 149 will be used for your website, for the automated system, and for the sales funnel. So if you will not start your online business, then we will return it to you within 30 days.
That is it. That's it. Within 30 days, not 31 days, don't wait. I recommend 25, 22 up, not kasi yung processing pa, right? Sometimes yung time zone is different, right? Like now to you, now it's 35 in Canada, in Edmonton right now, 9:36 in the morning. What time is it at your end, Lori?
11:36 p.m.
Okay? Don't wait for the thing. Give us 25 days and your money will refund it to you. So what are you waiting for? If you want to work and earn online, if you want to spend time with your children and watch them grow, if you want a good retirement, sa mga lola, mga lolo, okay, this is it, right? If I can do it, you can do it too. So, Glenda is Glenda Bersasi is here. Okay, we show them and then there. Glinda is from New York, right? She is one of the business partner, took that leap of faith and started this business and become a successful digital business owner. Thank you so much, Linda. Thank you so much, Lori, for being here with me.
You're
That
welcome. It's
was
my pleasure.
you did give them a good nuggets to think the whole day. Now is the time to take action. Today, not tomorrow, not this afternoon. Now is the time. See you, everybody. Welcome to my episode 11 of Magandang Umaga, Bagong Pag-asa. Bye, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.